Look what's inside of this coconut. So I've seen so many coconuts be open, so many jellies, but I've never seen this on the inside, y'all. What is this, Music Sean?
This is the eye of the coconut. We call it the we call it the oil because it's very oily. This is actually what grows into the tree. This turns into the tree. It protrudes through here, and it becomes a tree. So this is the making of the actual.
Wow.
The
So can you
itself.
like crush this up and like just plant this part back in the ground?
No, so like how we mash it up so now because the juice that in it, the jelly water that would actually sustain the tree.
Oh, okay.
It would sustain this and it grow the roots.
So we should just plant this whole thing under the bottom.
Yeah, this should have this, but this would have to have the husk on it, the skin.
Yeah.
For it to make the complete tree growth. But this now, this can be eaten and it's very sweet. I would love for you to taste it for yourself. I don't want to even take what I'm saying. Sorry. I will taste it for yourself until the ones in.
And he just took that off with a butter knife, y'all.
Alright, Cleopatra. So when you taste it and tell the people where you taste it first, your first bite.
Oh my God.
Let me do the video.
Y'all, this is the eye of the coconut. I'm about to taste it. It's kind of, it feels like it may be hollow in the inside, but I don't know.
It tastes that oily, and spongy, but sweet.
It definitely tastes like a little sponge.
Very oily. But a good oil that, you know.
I want to squeeze it.
Okay.
Oh, it's that all the way through.
It's spongy, people.
Y'all hear that?
Yeah.
It ain't something that I just sit up and eat.
No. Good experience though, yeah. Nice is. Cleopatra's nature, pure, pure power.